So far, we're having a good time here on the PEZ book. All the support has been really tremendous. Just want to say very thank you for that. If you have subscribed, great. If you haven't, no problem. If you learned something, yes! We did it! Yeah! That's the goal. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So they have this raspberry pack here on this box, and then they have a picture of a raspberry. Are we going to get different flavors? Well, they want to see how it sells. So I'll show you a couple ways it sells. So at the beginning of the video, we thanked everyone for their support. I got 2 packages sent to me. Amazing. Hey Josh, here's some packages. Make a video on this. It just came out. All right. Thank you very much. I will. Well, when I got these, I wanted to do something cool with that right there. Yeah, look at that. It's raspberry flavored too. Made from sturdy, vibrantly colored vinyl. Okay. Colorful, retro pool raft is sturdy enough for adults and children. Okay. Perfect for playing or chilling in the pool. A sweet conversation for your summer pool. So do you have everything, PEZ? That's how that conversation's going to start. So there's a variation already in this giant inflatable raft. Candy-colored pool float. It's not really candy-shaped, although it is. Yeah. You don't want to use this as an air mattress, though, I bet. Anyways, into the variations. This is how I received this box. There was no wrapping on it. The address label is on the other side. This one here, just wrapped up in a little piece of plastic. So those are the different variations on how people are receiving these from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this one. Oh! Now we open our knife. Luckily we didn't cut a toe off. But there are these 2 variations where they're sending the product, but the product that's being sent, you don't want it to be damaged. You know, if you want to put this into your collection and you want to see a giant inflatable raft, candy-colored pool float, perfectly mint in box, then you should have that option. Because there are some cool graphics on this box. So here we have that. And some guy chilling on it. It's like, yeah. Make sure you use your sunscreen, kids. Sunscreen, it's very important. If you learned anything ever from the PEZ book, wear your sunscreen. Yeah, we got real there for a little bit. Yeah. Back to PEZ. This is jumbo size now. It has grown 5 feet long. Before it was giant. Now it is jumbo. Oh, look how much it has grown. It's so big. Ages 14 and up. Wait a minute. Whoa, restrictions. Wait a minute. There's a 5 feet long. You should have made it a little bit bigger if it's for ages 14 and up. Just saying. You better be wearing sunscreen. And you too. And check this out. 2 variations. Shipping variations, but still. Thank you very much for your support. The PEZ guy rules. So until next time.